Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we are going to be analyzing what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price. The news are crazy, guys. The news are insane. What I have been saying all this period of time, that we should break this resistance line, is major. What is happening right here, right now? Let's go to watching the charts. What is happening? Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course press the bell button for all the notifications so you get this fresh content we are sharing every time. Let's go directly to the charts to see what is happening right there. Going back and noticing what we have right here in the chart, guys, this major resistance line is broken right now. What we are expecting at this point is the fact that we should be careful that this one is not going to retrace within the next 24 hours. So what I was saying is that, of course, I wouldn't like to see this breaking to the downside of this green area. Okay, so we can start fighting or like find a confirmation right here to break the 62,380. This is the next major level, and of course this is the all-time high for the 64,000 approximately. So if this is going to break the 62,189 and the 64,000, okay, the major previous all-time high as far as I remember and as far as I see. So what you should see and what you should expect after this point, okay, is that first of all we have this inverse head and shoulder pattern that broke to the upper side. So what does it mean? We should come and of course take the measurable price target that is coming from this point, okay, and this is the price target that I am pulling right here. As far as you can see, this is taking us all the way to the 73,000, but we also, guys, should see the cup and handle formation and the inverse head and shoulder pattern that it broke right here. Okay, so this is the previous inverse head and shoulder pattern that broke, and this was major. This is what we have been watching at this point. This price target is taking us all the way up to the approximately 75,000. I would take profits a little bit earlier. Maybe the 73,000 is also the previous, the coming in perfect alignment right here. As far as you can see, if I'm gonna pull this horizontal ray, I'm gonna hold this as a target at this point, and of course we are gonna be watching what else we should expect. We have this cup and handle formation also broken to the upper side, so this is coming to right here. I'm gonna be measuring at this point from here, okay, at this point, because we broke the pattern at this point, 66,500. this is also a level to watch at this point. Okay, so I'm taking 1, 2, 3 price targets from the time we broke for sure this upside momentum, this this major trend line that I also mentioned as a resistance in the past. So also I'm going to be counting, measuring this kind of ascending channel that also broke to the upper side, and yes, everything takes us to the same point. So 73,900 is the point that we get from multiple ways by counting all the patterns that we have right here. I will take also fib levels so we can understand if this fits very nicely. The 1618 is also price target 67,200. okay, see, so this is if we were about to take the swing high to swing low at this point. And I'm gonna be also measuring to what we have right now. This is the breakout that happened recently. So as far as you can see, 71,583 is also a major level to watch at this point. So as far as you can see, we have all of these price targets that we can also, if we start trading already, something that I did, I mentioned yesterday night in my video. I said that if this bull flag that we had at this 1 hour time frame breaks to the upper side, the price target is approximately 61,800, and this comes in perfect alignment with the pattern that we have been watching also before. So the trading setup can easily start after we confirm, okay, this resistance into a support. So I want to see this getting supported, and of course we can start talking after this for our price targets, as long as we are mentioning what is happening right here. Very bullish price action at this point, very nice bullish divergence. We can continue to the upper side, but you also, guys, you should think of taking some profits. Of course, this is not a financial advice how you are going to trade this thing. I'm just giving you price targets right here, and I'm telling you that of course I'm gonna be doing like dollar cost exit at this point until the 73,000. What does it mean? What we should expect after we break the all-time high? Of course, guys, this is going most likely to create another kind of cup and handle formation, another type of inverse head and shoulder pattern, most likely. As far as you can see, we have the one shoulder right here already, so we could easily come and find another resistance, psychological resistance, I would say, but this of course doesn't tell that we cannot continue any further up. We are technically in a bull market. I told you, after we break this kind of formation at this point, okay, I'm gonna be taking right here to right here. Okay, as far as you can see, this is broken, and now officially we are going to watch further price action to the upper side. This is very bullish for all the altcoins later on, but at this point Bitcoin is ready for a huge party as far as we can see. And as I mentioned, the 14th of November in my last videos is gonna be a major day. It's gonna be a major day. You will see things that you cannot expect at this point, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful day for Bitcoin. I hope, guys, that you like this content. Of course, share it with your friends. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the videos, and of course, see you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.